So even though there's 2 lessons left in this package, we're not going to do 5.8. Okay, we're only going to do 5.7, which is kind of an extension of what you guys have already done this year, and that is the exponent laws. And remember, we talked about 3 main exponent laws. Okay, when you multiply 2 powers together, what happens to the base? Yeah. Stays the same, right? What do we do with the exponents? Add them. So that's this one right here. When we divide 2 powers, what happens with the base? Stays the same. That answer is always the same. What do we do with the exponents? Subtract. When we raise 1 power to another power, what happens to the base? No. What happens to the base? Stays the same. What do we do with the exponents? Multiply them. Okay? We did those in Unit 4. And now we're going to go back to them again, except this time, the bases are going to be variables instead of numbers. So for example, if we did this, remember, this means the same as a squared times b to the 7th times a to the 3rd times b to the 5th. And when I multiply a whole bunch of things, the order doesn't matter. So I can multiply the 2 powers of a together. What is a squared times a to the 3rd? A to the, add the exponents, 5th. B to the 7th times B to the 5th. B to the 12th. And that's it, we're done. We'll just connect those together by multiplication. Okay? Now, what happens if there's numbers in front? Do you remember the name we give to numbers in front of variables? Remember what we called them?
What letter do it start?
What letter?
Yeah.
No, like if there's a number in front of a variable. Oh, sorry, what letter does it begin with?
Yeah.
C. Yeah, very good. Okay. So what happens when we have coefficients? Multiply those together. Okay, these aren't exponents, so we're not adding them. So what's -7 times -3? 21. Now, multiply the powers of t together. Remember though, this t here, what's the exponent that goes with it? We just don't write it. So what's t to the 4th times t to the 1st? Okay. Follow the same reasoning for C. Well, multiply the numbers in front. Multiply the powers of x by adding the exponents. Do the same for the powers of y. Anybody want to take a shot at this?
I'm too scared to say.
Don't be scared. Take a shot. So what? I'm wrong all the time.
-10x to the power of 8, and then y to the power of 10. Okay.
Nice job. Okay. Now this one's a little, well, tricky, maybe a little nasty. Okay, because how many multiplications do I have to do?
Too many.
Well, the number of multiplications I have to do. 6.
I'm seeing like.
Do I have to take this, multiply by the side?
Yes.
How many multiplications?
3.
2, 3. And remember, whenever you have an x, think of the exponent 1. So 1 there and 1 there. What is 3x to the first times 2x to the second?
6x.
Right. This times this is going to be positive. What is 3x to the first times x to the first? 3x to the second. Minus 3x to the first times 5.
I don't want to do 15x.
15x. And we don't have to write the first. And remember, these are not like terms, so you can't put them together. They're only like terms if they have the same variables and exponents. But they're all different exponents. Okay? So that's multiplying.
Okay.
Dividing. Well, when we divide exponents, we subtract them, right? When we divide powers, we subtract the exponents. So what happens when I divide the powers of y? What do I get?
3y divided
Y to the third, and then
by z to the 1.
z to the 1, or we don't even have to write the 1, we could just write z. Either one is fine.
Okay.
What happens when there's numbers in front? Common mistake students will make is they'll think they have to subtract the numbers. No. You subtract exponents. These aren't exponents. You have to divide these. What is 18 divided -3? And now divide the powers of m by subtraction. 10 to the third. You try C. Notice I've got an A by itself here. What's the exponent that goes with A? Remind yourself that it's 1. Because that's important. Anybody want to take a shot?
Seven.
Excellent.
9 to the power of a 4.
So 9 a to the 4. Yeah, and then? Right. Good.
Yes. The A's don't cancel each other out.
No, because there's 5 A's getting multiplied up top, only 1 A on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, if it was just A and A, they would cancel each other out. If it was A to the 5th and A to the 5th, they would cancel each other out. Good question. The third law. Power to a power, remember we multiply. What do we get?
8.
A to the power of 20. These next two you got to watch out for. That's it. I'm trying to help. Remember, you have to raise everything inside to the third. This isn't an exponent law. This is just 3 to the third. So this means 3 to the third, and then do p to the 5th to the third.
No, this is
What is 3 to the third? Oh,
15.
oh my God.
20.
Dodges. Yes. And now use your exponent law. P to the 15.
Oh.
Power to a power, multiply. This last one here, think of the same thing. You gotta think, okay, I gotta go -2 to the fourth, then I gotta go x to the third to the fourth, then I gotta go y to the third to the fourth. So this first one's not an exponent law. -2 in parentheses to the fourth. Is it going to be positive or negative? It's going to be positive. And what's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? 16. Now, exponent law, multiply.
12. X 12. X to the 15.
Like battleship, x to the 12.
I love that. It's on game pigeon. Yes. I'm getting about who's bought.
Y to the
Well, I don't think that. You're not X 12. You're too late.
yeah.
You gotta fix it right now.
Okay, I'm actually going to stop there
Okay.
because you guys need to get comfortable with these first before we start doing multiple step ones. Okay? So you guys can work on exercise 5.7. Just don't do numbers. Sorry. Don't do number 4. Bless you. Don't do number 4 yet.
Okay. Yeah. So just numbers 1 to 3.
I believe there's more questions in there than that.
So you should write 5.7 on my thing. Okay. I'm good. No, it's not good.